Button tap salt spray chamber operation video. First of all, here's a salt spray chamber. There's a power card. Insert the power triangle plug into the wire board. That's the first step. The second step is to insert the trachea as well. This is a trachea with an outer diameter of 8 mm. Plug it in from this position. And there's a barometer. There will be a pressure display on it. You can look at this pointer. It must be pointed at the position of 2 kilograms. Turn on the power switch. When the power switch is turned on, there are 3 lights on here. There is a lack of water in the laboratory. Pressure cylinder water shortage. We need to rehydrate 3 places. Laboratory water shortage. This space here represents laboratory space. Then add water to the lab. You just pour it in from here. The water added is clear water. At the same time, observe whether the light is off. When the water level reaches the specified water level, this water shortage lamp will go out. Now you can see the light flashing. We continue to add water slowly. It can be observed that the lights are now off. No need to add more water. Be sure to note that water is added at this time. If you want salt water, add it from here. We will ship a bottle of 500克5% sodium chloride. Then you need to consume a bottle of salt. Then mix it well. Get an aqueous solution. It's a 5% solution of sodium chloride. Then the prepared salt water. Just add it from here. The test entrance is here. And then it comes in. It's actually already flowing inside the machine. It will slowly flow into this space. If the experiment takes a long time, you can fill up this space. Now observe that the lights have gone out. Explain that the salt water is enough. Then the light of the existing pressure cylinder is on. To manually add water from the pressure bucket here. Add it here. This must be added with purified water. It must be remembered here. This red ball valve must be opened first. This is off. Be sure to open the pressure bucket before adding water. At this time, be sure to pay attention to adding purified water. At this time, you need to join slowly. Prevent water from overflowing. Now you can go and observe this water shortage lamp. As the water level reaches the specified liquid level, this water shortage lamp will also go out. The water level is sufficient, and now you can turn the red ball valve off. Then there is another place to replenish water. It should also be sealed with water. Add water here too. To seal the lid. To prevent the smoke from leaking out. After the water in these 4 places is replenished, you can start the operation on the panel now. After the operation switch is turned on, 2 thermostats will display the temperature. It means that just now, a temperature in a laboratory There is a thermal insulation bucket. There is a set temperature inside. This temperature does not need to be changed during testing. Product testing needs to be placed in this test box. There are 2 kinds of shells. One is miniature. You can put it on this miniature shelf. There are 4 miniature shelves. After arranging the brackets, we can put the products we need to test on it. We have a cylindrical stick. Arrange the products according to actual needs. Just close the lid. Then you can turn on the spray switch. Turn on the spray now. It means that the air pressure inside is not displayed. It means there is no air pressure in it. To adjust the pressure of a spray inside, first, pull this adjustment switch out first. You can see that the pointer is moving slowly. The needle will go up a little bit. The air pressure has now reached 1 kilogram. Then press this rotate button to press it down. After the air pressure has been debugged during the testing process, then it can be observed at this time there is fog spraying out of here. The whole fog is coming out of here. Then one position of this spray tower. In the process of using it later, a height difference of this spray tower. It needs to be adjusted according to the source spray value of the metering cylinder. If the collected source spray value, if the collection volume is greater than 2 milliliters per hour, you can lower the position of this spray tower. If less than 1 milliliter per hour, just raise the position of the spray tower a little higher. You can go up and down to adjust the spray tower here. An emptying tower is a conical cone tuned to the top just off this exit. About halfway there. This location is the best location. This location is the best. Don't adjust it again. And here's one last feature. It's a timer. For example, we put the product in it for testing. Just use this timer to set the test time. Here are 5 digits. The first 4 digits are the set values, according to your own needs. Normally, if we are doing tests, it's measured in hours. There are 2 buttons right here. One is plus, one is to reduce. Then set the time. You can turn on the timer switch, and the timer is now showing up. Description: testing is now starting. Then as soon as the time comes, then it will stop working.